Celebrate the X-Mix with creativity, calm, and care. In this video, we have explored mindful X-Mix decoration ideas, transforming old things into beautiful new ornaments while returning peace of mind and sustainable living. Discover how recycled crafts not only decorate your home but also boost emotional health and relaxation. Join us for a soothing journey for art, awareness, and holiday joy, inspired by E.D. Manners' mindful philosophy of simplicity and balance. Welcome, dear viewers, to this calm corner of creativity. Today, we are celebrating the beauty of X-Mix through mindful decoration, using simple recycled and old materials to create something truly magical. This is not just about decor, it's about peace, focus, and healthy mind. Mindful decoration means being fully present in the act of creation. When you tie a jute string or paint an old pine cones, you are not just crafting, you are connecting with your inner calm. Every step becomes a moment of peace, a reminder that beauty can come from simplicity. Let's start. Let's talk about it. And mindful decorations means being fully present in act of creation. Let's start with what you already have. Old glass jars can become glowing lanterns, broken ornaments can be repeated, repainted, and reborn. Used cardboard, jute or pine cones. Jute or pine cones can turn into lovely table centerpiece. Recycling into your decoration is not only budget friendly, it's a kind act for the earth and your soul. Mindful crafting has been shown to reduce stress, improves focus, and promote relaxation. When your hands are busy, creating your mind gently slows down. Colors, textures, and light engage your sense, helping release anxiety. It's not just art or therapy for the holiday. Try wrapping twine around an old bottle and adding fairy lights. Instant cozy vibes. Turn worn out wooden spoons into rustic angels, or plaid or paint stones and hang them as symbol of strength and hope. Let every creation tells a story, a mindful memory of love, patience, and joy. This X-Max, let's slow down. Let's decorate with awareness and appreciation. Each recycled ornament becomes a lesson in gratitude for what we have and what we can create from it. Thank you for watching me, and may your season filled with calm, color, and kindness. May your home fulfilled with craft, love, and many more in your life. What you want to have in your life. This X makes slow down and discover joy through mindful decoration. In this video, we used old recycled materials to create peaceful, meaningful X-Mix decor that heal the mind and soothes the soul. Simple ideas, peaceful thoughts, beautiful results. Turn recycling to relaxation and your home into a sanctuary of life and love. So, dear friends, this mindful X-Mix journey in a world that moves fast, let this moment be slow. As you listen, take a deep breath, feel the calm of the season, settle into your heart. Today we will explore how decorating your home become a form of meditation. For more designs, more ideas, watch next videos. How can become a form of meditation, peaceful, creative, and healing. Together, we will turn old, forgotten things into something new, meaningful, and full of light. X-Max is not just about lights or glitters, it's about warmth, kindness, and togetherness. Mindful decorating reminds us to enjoy each detail, from tying ribbon to placing ornaments, and with awareness and love. When your hands move slowly, your heart opens quietly. Hope you enjoyed these designs and ideas. Thank you, be a part.
Thank you so much for your amazing response. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy, beautiful holiday on this season.